Welcome to Lesson 6. In this video I will show how to create a price barometer. Start by creating a tab that you name highest/lowest price. Write the following formula. This formula shows the stock's current price. Write the title, Current, above the table. With a distance of 2 columns, write the following formula. It shows the stock's highest price over a year. Write the title, Highest, above the table. With a distance of 2 columns, write the following formula. It shows the stock's lowest price over a year. Write the title, Lowest, above the table. Write the following formula. Mark the instrument ID. Select the column with the instrument ID in the table. After that, you highlight the value column. Copy and paste the formula under the other titles. Change the selections to the correct table. Create 2 titles, from the bottom and from the top. Under the title, from the bottom, write the following formula, highlight the value under the title Current, minus the value under the title Lowest. Under the title, from the top, write the following formula, highlight the value under the title Highest minus the value under the title Current. Select an empty cell. In the Insert tab, click on the bar chart symbol. Select 100% stacked columns. Right-click and press Select Data. Press Add and highlight the title from the bottom. In Value, select the value below. Press Add again, but this time select the title from the top. In Value, select the value below. Resize the barometer and make it a little bit smaller. Cut the diagram and paste it in the Search tab. Adjust the size so it is proportional with the dashboard. Highlight the upper part of the diagram and then select No Fill. Remove the title below the bar. Insert a new text box with the text, Price History 1 year. Rotate it and place it next to the barometer. Adjust the size of the text. Create 2 text boxes with the titles, Highest and Lowest. Change company and check if it works. Change company one more time to be sure it works. Awesome, that looks really good. Congratulations, you have now finished all the lessons. If you think the lessons were easy to understand, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Do you have any questions? Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.